You know what the fault is. The X button does not work and the B button doesn't work.
Okay.
And this one is not turning on at all.
Okay, well, we're charging it, so let's turn it on and see. Oh, okay, we've got a red light, which means it needs to charge. Oh. There we go!
Okay. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to wait until this is charged a little bit, and then I'm going to transfer my stuff from this DS to this DS. If it will allow me. Wait, can I do it now, actually? Because if I can do it now... Yes, you are Pokemon! Wait a minute, shall we see? Let's see what we can do. See this, so this is loaded into system settings, just in case it can. Just in case it will let me, because you know, you can never be too safe. You can never be too safe. So I'm actually going to see what we can see. Right. Oh, okay. So maybe I can actually... Because I can actually... So I'll load this up and see what we can do. If it has any sense, it will not go, "Kill him!"
What was that noise about?
That was me trying to imitate the 3DS error sound.
Why?
Send from the system. Okay. So what's it gonna do? Is it... Okay, I'm gonna input the password to my NNID. You all can definitely not see this, so I'll be... Oh, there we go. Right. Yes, this is the system. Next. Next. Praying for transfer. Right. Right. It's good. This all looks good so far. Come on. Come on. This will start the transfer.
You want to continue?
Yes.
Now the data on this one is unusable.
Right. And there we go. Now the transfer is on the way. Okay. I never really had anything in that. So there's not going to be much transfer over from there. I never really used that feature, to be honest. This isn't going to be correct. Well, who knows? Maybe I'll be surprised, and it will be quick. It's not going to happen, is it?
Well, I'm going to be honest, Oliver. Looking at how fast this transfer's going, I mean, we're on number 3/5 already.
Mm-hmm. I just took the battery cover off because I'm going to need to take out the SD card and put it into this DS.
Why?
Because there's no SD card in this DS, and if I don't, then my games won't stay on here. And I don't want that. I want to keep my games onto this. I want to have them 100% playable.
Okay. Right. Does that mean the data has successfully left the Fire Emblem Fates 3DS?
No. But it is going to go really quickly. Can you see that? Can you see that? You see, look at all them Pikmin. They're going to go really, really fast, and they're going to system transfer it all over, and it's all going to be fine.
Remind me again exactly what the point of this was.
So anyway, I'm system transferring my save data over to my 2DS XL so that my copy of Cartoon Network Battle Crashers will be 100% playable.
Alright.
Because on this DS, the X button and the B button do not work at all.
They don't work.
Nah.
We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.